Hey there everyone, it's Joe and
Michael.
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. The wait is over.
It is. I'm a little disappointed in you, mate.
What do I do?
Well, you kind of make noises at the start of every video to try and lead in. You didn't make a Pixiu sound.
Oh yeah, because I don't have what is it? Let me try now.
Yeah,
Is that a
good?
Isn't a Pixiu isn't it like a fantasy? Is it a real animal? Is it a real reptile?
It's a
Is it a real?
lion.
It's a what?
It's the double lion.
The double lion. Okay.
Well, the double Pixiu is
The double
lion.
Pixiu. Okay, right. But is it it's a
Don't push my Chinese culture.
okay, all right. I want to know if it's a real actual animal or it's like a fantasy, like legend type thing.
I dare say someone will put it in the comments below.
All right,
Put
cool.
a link for it.
All right, let's do it. We'd been teasing this over the last few weeks now, actually. This was before. Was this before Christmas?
Before Christmas. Well, the
Yeah.
video was before Christmas.
Yeah.
Because theirs arrived just before Christmas.
Yeah. And it's taken us a while to open these.
It's taken us a while. It took us even longer to get them in the country.
Okay.
These are a Perth Mint production.
Yep.
They are a limited edition, all of which went overseas.
The whole lot.
The whole lot. As far as I'm aware, the whole lot went overseas.
Wow.
There was very little remained in Australia, if any.
Yep.
So we actually had to re-import them from overseas.
Yep.
We have a very limited number. We will keep 100 for the store. The rest will be released to the website.
Yep.
Once you've seen this, please, as we say, the fair play policy.
Yep.
Don't order 100, don't order 400. Just take up to 10, 20 sort of number. Much more than that, we're going to have to start cutting people back because we want to spread the love a little bit.
Absolutely. Are we thinking about doing any kind of timed release on the website portion?
I think we will. We'll release half initially, and then we'll release the other half 24 hours later.
24 hours later?
24 hours later.
Like exactly 24 hours later?
Oh, as close as I can get.
Okay. All right. Cool. No problem. Easy done.
All right. Now for the enough talking, and
Yeah.
let's have a look at the design.
Yeah.
So that is the get rid of that. That is the 2020 double Pixiu
2020.
in silver.
Of course.
Now.
Beautiful.
Something I didn't realise till a conversation with Perth Mint very recently.
Yep.
Um,
Look at
They
this.
actually only make the silver 1 year and the gold the next year. And then they change the design and produce the silver the following year
Ah,
and then the gold the following year with the same design.
okay.
So there is no 2020 gold Pixiu
Ah,
and there is no 2021 silver Pixiu.
okay.
So, and I've been doing this for years.
Yeah.
I had no clue till
Ah,
very recently.
no idea myself.
When they filled me in on it. So don't
So
ask for the 2021 silver design because it is only a 2020
In silver, that is.
in
So,
silver.
Yeah.
We will actually have the gold, the 2021 gold, which is a similar design but obviously 1 ounce of gold, and that will be arriving in the next week or so.
So this is it. Yeah, okay. So that's interesting. So if you're thinking, well, I won't get this one because I'll wait till the 2021 silver version is out,
You won't get it.
not going to happen.
So you have to wait for 2022 for that one.
Wow. Okay, the double how do I pronounce? Is it Pixiu? How do I pronounce it?
That's close enough.
Yeah, that'll close enough for jazz. All right. Beautiful. And a lot of companies already, the bullion dealers and whatnot around the world already had these, but I don't know how rare they were in Australia, but I don't know what other companies got their hands on them, and they probably sold out of them already.
Yeah, there was only 1 or 2 that I noticed.
Yep.
And they had incredibly limited numbers, much like we do.
Okay. 1 ounce, of course, Hermage on the back. Fantastic. And take another look. All right, so let's be really clear with our wonderful customers. How many did we get in total? Or how many do we have total for sale at the moment?
500 we got in total.
Okay. All right, 500 in
Might have been-
total?
No, it was 600. My apologies, it was 600.
600 in total. Okay.
Yep.
All right, so 100 are staying for in-store only, is that right?
That's correct.
That means you can't call to
No,
count.
it's for over the counter sales.
Over the counter, so you can't call to reserve. Hey, I'm coming in for 20. Hold them for me. You have to be in the store at the time.
Correct.
Fair enough. I have a feeling that's going to go pretty quick. And so 500 online. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So when you're watching this video, half will be released right now when you're watching the video.
Yep.
So 250, And then when are we releasing the next 250?
Let's say 9 o'clock the following day.
Okay.
And
9
we'll set it
a.m.
for
the
that.
following morning. Okay. How about we say, to be fair to everyone, how about we say somewhere around the 9 o'clock mark? How does that sound?
Yeah, all right.
Does that sound good? Because, you know, there's going to be people sniping for like 9 o'clock, like press the button 9 o'clock. Let's say around the 9 a.m. kind of time frame.
All right.
Does that sound fair?
Sounds fair.
Excellent. All right. You know the deal. That is the deal. Get your very limited, we would suggest, double Pixu Silver for 2020. There is not a 2021 version. It's the gold one for 2021.
It is.
We'll get that in as soon as possible. And of course, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Good luck. Hope you get one. Take care. We'll speak to you soon.
See ya.